What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today's video, we're gonna be working on a 2017 Nissan Versa. We're gonna be installing a new head unit, touchscreen, Pioneer, and we're gonna be changing out the door speakers because the door speakers don't work as well. So as y'all can see, that's the car, and it's actually my neighbor's car, and we're gonna see can we get it together, man, because I think he stated that the radio works, but kind of when it want to, and the door speakers went out too. So he just figured, I might as well upgrade all the way around. So we got us some pretty good equipment that's about to go off in here. Not gonna be anything spectacular. We're not adding amps or anything like that. It's just a basic upgrade, upgrading the door speakers because they don't work for one. And we taking the factory head unit out and we putting a nice Pioneer head unit in there for him. And we just gonna do it as clean and neatly as we possibly can. If y'all interested in watching this process, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And also, if y'all got any hypes left, y'all hype the video up. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Let's get straight into it. All right, guys, for those that are wondering what door speakers are going in, man, we're going with the Pioneer TS F1634R two-way. They are 6.5, and 200 watt max. Should be better than the door speakers, and they ought to get some good mid-range, good mid-bass, and highs as well, which should definitely upgrade this car a lot. And like I said, we're gonna be replacing this factory head unit, and we're gonna be putting a touchscreen in her, and that's the goal, guys. Nothing more, nothing less. Gotta change out all 4 door speakers, put the head unit in. We got our harness to maintain the steering wheel control and all that good stuff. And thankfully, I think it just did panel right here that goes all the way around, all the way down here to the bottom, goes all the way around. Pop that off, and you should have complete access to everything. It should be 4 bolts right behind this panel. Once you pull it off, you have to disconnect your emergency flashes and your airbag plug as well. But everything else should be plug and play. 4 bolts to take it off, and it should be pretty straightforward. But I am gonna start with the doors first, because with these doors being able to have a manual handle, you do have to have a special tool to get them off. But I know a trick to get these off without a special tool, with 2 flathead screwdrivers. So we're gonna do that. But I did order the special tool just in case I run across another vehicle with the manual handle. Quick tip: if you guys are working on a car with the manual door handle, if y'all can see the grooves in the handle right here, the little slit right there in the handle, there's a pin which is right here that goes in there like that, which holds it in there. And if you don't have the special tool to push both of those pins out, only thing I used to get that off was a flat blade screwdriver, which I only used to pry back just a tad bit. And I used my pick, and with the clip, y'all got to try to visualize what I'm saying. The clip was in there, and with the clip, only thing I did was reached in there and popped it off. So there is a special tool that you probably need to use or whatever, but if you're very careful and very, very gentle, you can use a flat blade screwdriver and pry that back just a little bit so you can see the pin. And if you have a pick like so, you can get in between there and hook that hook this little pin that hold the handle, and just pretty much pull it out, and it comes straight out, guys. No issues, no nothing. So I just wanted to give y'all that quick tip. And also this sits on there as well like a seal, but just a quick tip. All right, guys, so I didn't do a lot of filming, but if y'all can see, we got the Pioneers in, and I put pictures up right here so y'all can see the process. But it's fairly simple with this car, very, very simple. The harder part, or probably the most challenging part about getting the door panel off, is the manual handle. The next order of business, as y'all can see, I got all the old speaker right here. The next order of business is taking the trim panel off right here. I think this all come off in one piece. Pop the clamps and pull out, disconnect this, disconnect that, and there should be 4 bolts holding the radio in. I just got to wire everything in, put together the dash kit, and we should have some great sounds in here as far as replacing the factory speakers, because it's definitely an upgrade from those. I'm not gonna cap. Should be a good upgrade. And the head unit, which I'm about to go get out the car, I'm gonna show y'all which one I got, well, which one he got, and it should be a great pair for those 6.5. So let me show y'all the head unit, then we're gonna get to breaking this thing down. I really ain't got no tripod or nothing to set my phone up to do like a time lapse or nothing, guys. So I'm just gonna be punching in, checking in, and let y'all know where I'm at so far. So let's get it. Quick side note, if y'all want to watch the process of me trying to get my new project quad together, ATV, whatever you want to call them, if y'all want to see the process of me getting it back to the state where it should be after simply like 2 or 3 years, y'all go subscribe to my other channel, which is BassAddict Vlogs. And once I get a helmet and I get my action cam, I will be doing kind of like moto vlogs, and we can talk about whatever y'all want to talk about. So if that's something that interests y'all, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the other channel. That's why the other channel is called BassAddict Vlogs, and I'll walk y'all through everything that it took to get this 4-wheeler and to get it to the spot where it's at right now. And as y'all can see, we got a brand new exhaust on that bad boy, so she loud, she strong, and she ready for action. All right, guys, it's hotter than fish grease out here. It's very humid. I'm sweating like crazy, but this is the head unit that I end up going with for him. Now, he made it very clear and specific that he wanted a head unit with the USB port on it. Now, they do have head units that come with the USB port as like a cord, and you can put it wherever you want it. But honestly, I didn't want to do all that extra stuff, and I just found the one with it directly in the front. This right here is the Pioneer DMH S110EX. Bad head unit, y'all. And we all know, if you're into car audio, Pioneer make pretty good doggone head units. And this ought to be a perfect match for those 2-way coaxials that he has now, that he replaced with those. So my next order of business is going to be taking the trim off, breaking all this down. As y'all can see in here, I have the dash kit, which is the Metro. I'm trying to give y'all everything y'all need, just in case y'all had the same car, y'all want to do the same. Here's the part number and all that good stuff. That's the dash kit, and this right here is the interface. It comes with basically everything. The wiring harness, it comes with the steering wheel control. It comes with basically every single thing that you would need to hook this up. So we're gonna retain his steering wheel controls and all that good stuff, but we just upgrade that. So let's get it, guys. Pop that out. And to get this out, is very simple. Everything is basically clipped. Y'all see it right there. Everything is clipped. I started over here with my trim panel remover so I won't damage anything. But before you snatch that off, your AC selector switch right here, which go left and right, this pops straight off. You won't be able to get that panel off until you get this off. But once you pull that off, it shouldn't give you no resistance. Once you pull that off, you just snap everything off. And as y'all can see, there's 1 screw, 2 screws, 3 screws, and 4 screws, and the radio comes straight out, straight to the point, simple, plain. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my wiring harness for the new radio and my radio kit, and I'm gonna wire everything together. Like I said, I don't have a tripod to show y'all that process or whatever, so I may just get the wires and take them in the house in the AC, because I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Turn the camera around. I'm sweating like crazy, bro. It is hot and humid out here, so I may get all my wire harnesses and make my connections in the house and the AC, and then come back out and we'll install everything. Should be plug and play, ready to rock, ready to go. All right, quick update before we go in the crib. Got the factory head unit out. It was only like 3 connectors on the back of it. Those are all of our harnesses. One is for the airbag, one is for the emergency flashers, your emergency flashers, and these right here go to the head unit. And like I said, with the kit I got, everything should be plug and play, besides hooking up the speaker wires and all from the aftermarket head unit to the kit. So that we about to go in the house to do now, guys. Got the kit right there. I don't know if I showed y'all which one I have, but this is it. And it should be plug and play, besides connecting the speaker wires and the steering wheel control and all that. But everything else should plug straight into the head unit, bolt everything back in, put the panel back on. We should have some good sounding factory tunes in here, guys. So let's get it. All right, y'all, we in the crib in the AC. Just took the head unit out the box. Very nice Pioneer head unit. Very, very nice, very clean. All this right here in this box is all what came with this kit, and also with the instructions. And they also have a troubleshoot QR code, so y'all scan it if y'all need it. If you ever using this, if you need troubleshooting, scan it. But yeah, and I think this came with the head unit right here. So this is the head unit wire. So I gotta lay all my wires out, make my connections, hook everything up, make sure my wire connection and all that stuff good. We got our antenna adapter here, so we should be good to go with everything, guys. So let me get all this wired up, figured out, and then we're gonna go back to the car, put our dash kit together, and then slide everything in, plug and play, put all my panels back together, and then we'll be turning that key and seeing if we got some sound, y'all. All right, guys, so we came out here to do a little testing. Now I don't know if y'all can hear, but we got sound, which is a great thing. That let me know that all the speakers are working now, all 4 corners. We do now know the head unit is working. I came out here to test it after making some quick connections. So now I'm about to finish up everything now that I know everything worked the way it should. I'm turn that volume up so y'all can hear. I got this door speaker back playing. We got static. I ain't hooked the antenna or nothing up yet, but that's a great sign, guys. So I know for a fact now we have sound back in this car. So I just got to finish up doing what I'm doing and clean everything up, and we gonna finish this thing on up, guys. After a couple breaks, going to get my daughter to and from chill practice and all that. As y'all can see, we finally got the new head unit in. Everything fits perfect. Everything fits absolutely perfect. It almost look like ain't nothing been touched, guys. It look factory. Only thing left to do is run his microphone for his Bluetooth call, and I'm gonna probably run it up on the dash, of course, all the way up, and probably sit it like right up in the corner for him. That way when he have a call, he had a little mic right there so he can do his Bluetooth calls and all that good stuff. But for the most part, all the speakers work, all the speakers play. Y'all have seen the clips. I'm gonna end the video all right here, guys. Not a real hard process at all. I'm gonna turn the camera around and let y'all see what I look like. Boy, I'm sweating like a slave. It only took me a while because I had to stop every hour or so, because it was something I had to do in between. But like, this is a very, very, very simple car to hook everything up to. Especially if you were going like just straight replacing factory equipment for aftermarket, just replacing the factory door speaker. As y'all can see, everything is everything. The radio power up, the radio should come on, and everything should. Let's go to a station real quick. As y'all can see, we got sound, and he didn't have sound. Let me turn that down before we get copyrighted. Turn that down before we get copyrighted. But we got everything planned, guys. When he first got the car to me, the radio wasn't working, the factory door speakers were blown. I'm about to get ready to go and take it back to my neighbor's crib. I'm gonna drop it off on after I hook up the microphone for him. I'm gonna run the microphone, and then I'm gonna get all my tools out of it. I'm gonna spray it off because the guy that cut our grass, that came and cut the grass, got a little grass on it, but that's all cool. I'm gonna hit it with the water hose, spray it off, get all the grass off of it, and get my tools out of it. And I'm gonna go take it over to his crib, deliver it to him, and see if he like it. And if he don't mind being on camera, I'm gonna put him on camera, let y'all get his reaction to it or whatever, because he been riding for a long time without no sounds in the car, guys, and he finally got his sounds back. So I mean, I still do installs from time to time, guys. I'm not gonna lie. But it be so hot and humid out here now, guys. Y'all see. I gotta get me a shop, a shed, or something, man. So y'all make sure y'all share these videos so I can get me a little place I can work with some AC or a big ass fan blowing on me or something when I'm doing this type of stuff. Cause doing it out here in the element, my brother out. This your boy BassAddict, man. We checking out with another one, man. Another install done. I got to do my mom's car next, man. She just want to replace her factory radio because her factory radio went all the way out. It faded. I'm gonna show y'all all that. But she just going from factory to factory. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take the one that ain't working out and put the newer factory radio in to get her sounds back going. So y'all stay tuned for that video as well. But drop a like, leave your comment, let me know how y'all think I did.
They somebody harassing me. I got rich, they need money, they asking me. I was sitting in jail, they look out for me. Once we leave me, no social me. They'll way down with me, know that she proud of me. Turn the heat up, ain't nobody hot as me. Everywhere dollars me, that's how I gotta be. I didn't give up, but now call me baby ho. I control the rock, if the rap slow, I control the block. Yeah, I'm really it, and you niggas not. Got a couple coups, I can drop the top.